things I said. So I said these kind of things, and I said to you already the very, very important discussion to you students, how the things will be. I almost explained in the class. So I hope that descriptive statistics, info, the overall information about the data frame, and to iterate the data from the records from the data frame. That is called what function? Iter function. This concept was completed. So still I will go for accessing the data by using LOC and iloc. So I'm going to take up another concept here, accessing the data from LOC and iloc. So I'm going to take up accessing the data from data frame by using LOC of this. I will take it. This is I will divide and I will go for explaining. So this part I want to explain here. Similarly, this is a very regularly asking question, students, and iloc is also there, students. iloc. So the difference is very important. What is the difference between LOC and iloc concept? You need to understand. So let me talk about what LOC can do, what iloc can do. I am going to take up. So here, syntaxes I will take it, students. Syntaxes I will start here. LOC can be taken as one attribute, student. Here, LOC is one of the attribute. It is not a function. Remember always, all of you. LOC is not a function. It is an attribute. LOC is an attribute of data frame, attribute of data frame, and it is used for, and it is used for, you know, and it is used for extracting the data from, data frame, extracting the data from data frame based on row indices, remember, row indices in the bracket, but not on row names. Remember all of you, but not on row names. Difference I'm talking, but not on row names. Based on row indices, but not on row names, and based on column names, in the bracket, but not on column indices. These are the things you need to remember. Here, LOC is an attribute of data frame. It is used for extracting the data from row indices. Of course, when you go to the real time, row names is very rare to come, because if lakhs of values are there, giving the names to the rows is not that much recommended. Row indices, I can just remove these things. Just you can remove, no issue, no problem. Even if I keep also, no issue about it. And based on column names, but not on row indices. So there are a lot of syntaxes are there for that. Syntax 1, syntax 2, I can say lots of syntaxes are there. Syntax 2, syntax 3, syntax 4, lots of syntaxes. I will tell you almost 6 to 7 syntaxes for you. So syntax 4 and syntax 5, and then next is called syntax number 6. I will go to this many number of syntaxes. 7 syntaxes I will tell you. Even anything extra I will tell you. But what about this iloc? iloc is going to get it. Here same to same I will write it. Here also. The name itself says I. I means what? Index. So here iloc is also an attribute of data frame used for extracting the data from data frame based on row indices and based on what? Column indices. based on column indices, but not on, come on, but not on column names, but not on column names. That is the first difference you need to take care. LOC takes care about column names, but ILOC takes care about column indices. Is it clear? And LOC can retrieve the data from data frame from where starting point to ending point. Starting point to where start to stop it will retrieve. Start to stop it will retrieve. But ILOC will retrieve the data. Start to stop minus one only it will retrieve. Start to stop minus one, ILOC will retrieve. The LOC will retrieve the data from start to where stop it will retrieve minus one. Remember, it is start to stop minus one. It is start to stop only. I hope you are following me now. So come back to this place. Now one by one I will write it. Syntaxes now. We'll go for it. Online students, see without using LOC and ILOC also, we can retrieve the data. Here also, we have lots of syntaxes. Same, 7 syntaxes are available. Here also, we are having lots of syntaxes. 7 syntaxes are available. So first I will go for what? Syntaxes of LOC, I will talk about it. Shall we start off? Right. Online students, is it clear? If I explain that concept now, it will be more clear for you. Easily you can follow. Easily you can follow. So coming to the point of it, coming to the point back, here I am going to say, don't come late. I already said now. I already said so many times, whenever you come to the class, you will come late only. And for you, I have to change my rules. Whenever you come to the class, 15 days once, 20 days once, you will change your rules. I have to change my rule. If I send you back, your time will be wasted. If I allow, I'm compromising my rule. I have to fill the entire day. I have to fill my entire day. If boys come late, I need to give explanation for them. They will think in the mind, sir will allow girls, sir will not allow boys. That bad name I have. So because of you, I have to change my rules. Allow or not allowed? Allowed or not allowed? Boys, allowed or not allowed? Allow. Stand up. Stand up. You said allow. You said allowed. No? Will you stand up? Both of you said allowed. You said allowed. Will you sure tomorrow? There. Huh? Will you give surety? Come. See, this much you are disturbing my class. Huh? So pen, pencil, I'm not responsible. Give surety. Huh? Give surety. Give for everything should you go there. Go. There is one proverb in English. I will tell you the class. Somebody said allow also. Who said you stand up? He said you stand up. He's saying that. You also stand up. Both of you go there. He's saying, said or not? Said no. But you said like that. You said. So sit down. He said that. He said. So give surety, okay? Tomorrow, if she is not coming, definitely you need to stand there. Definitely she will not come tomorrow. Correct? Stand there. Sit up. Compulsory, I'll remember you. You need to stand there. Definitely she will not come tomorrow. Next 1 week she will not come. Correct? Next 1 week you need to stand there. Compulsory. Now coming to the point back. Students. Huh? Mallikarjuna. 33% girls for Naresh IT. So in Parliament that was fail. That bill was fail. That bill was fail yesterday. So I'm also cancelling here, but I never cancel it. So tomorrow he will stand there compulsory. Next 1 week she will not come. Correct? See, this is called the proverb is correct. Okay, compulsory. Okay, come to the point. See how much disturbance. I will give pen. I will give pen. I am having pen also here. You know, KVR sir will have pen also. But why you went for a pen? So because you are a girl, what to tell them? I don't know. That's why I'm not saying. Boy is speaking like that. Now I will give different answer. Let it be. This is called 33% reservation. Anyhow, he is a final victim. He is a victim. Definitely she will not come. Next 15 days she will not. Correct? See, your punishment is reserved for 15 days. Remember. Okay, come. So that's why on behalf of anybody, no surety. Now come to the point back. So concentrate now. Data frame object, data frame object dot loc, data frame object dot loc of. I will write row number. I will write row number. So do you know ma which concept is going on? Which concept is going on now? Which concept is going on? Huh? Daily attending online, you said, na? Which concept is going on? NumPy pandas. Now it is related to NumPy. Okay. NumPy. Very good. See, NumPy is going on. And Raman Dipan keep it in first row. The, come, come here. Special chair will keep. Come. All surety people should be sit in the first row. You will sit there. You will sit there. No, here. VIP, you are giving surety now. NumPy is going on, correct? NumPy, correct? Here he is there. Okay. Hmm? Mallikarjuna. So my video in no ma'am. Because it will net will become show. Ah, okay. Anyhow. Okay, no issue. Data frame object dot loc of row number. So go to that Jupyter notebook. Now students, read the data frame object. So examples on data frame LOC. Data frame LOC off. So here I'm going to take up. So here I'm going to take up this data. So create a data frame object. Import pandas. Pandas as PD. So import numpy as np. So df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. Last class I send you CSV file also, right? Right. Student final marks. So have you downloaded ma? Downloaded student final marks. Pandas or NumPy? NumPy, okay. So coming to the point back, so it is related to, in this case, get this data, here get this data, student marks 1.csv, student marks 1.csv, right? So coming to this place, here I'm going to take it. This is called CSV file and getting here print of df, print of df. So this is the data we are getting it. This is the data we are getting it. Okay. Now, don't read anything. Listen, just understand. Now, so this place, I want to get one of the record. One of the record I want to get it. Which record I want to get it? Kalyan record I want to get it. Kalyan record. Only Kalyan record I want to get it. Can I get it with yesterday's concept? Can I get it? Yes. Can anybody can tell how to get the Kalyan record only? How do you get the Kalyan record? Rahman, yesterday, Yasin, Rahman, sir, yesterday the CSV file not there in the notes. Is it not there? There, not uploaded. Huh? Student marks I did not sign. Okay, not uploaded. Okay. So today I will upload, mom. Today I will upload. Today I will upload. Okay, okay. Today I will upload. Okay, students. Today I will upload. So we will upload it. So now I am going to take up. Come on, how do you get this Kalyan record? All of you tell me, how do you get Kalyan record? So there I need to write it. df dot df of what was my data? Kalyan record is 4 colon 4:5. Is it Kalyan record is coming or not? Right. How to get only Kalyan? How to get only the name? How do you get only name? I will write it immediately. Name. I'll get only name. Only Kalyan is coming. Are you getting it? So, so now I'm going to get it. This was already done. But when they ask the question on LOC, but we have to go for it. So LOC is in the concept of where Pandas or NumPy. LOC concept is in NumPy or Pandas. LOC concept is in NumPy or Pandas. Oh, Pandas. Now correct answer. So now I will go to df dot, come on, LOC of, what is that? 4. Direct 4 or 5? 4. So this is a 4. I will write df dot LOC of 4. So that is what the first syntax here. That is the first syntax. Here, data frame object of LOC of row number. So I'm going to write the row number here. Is it coming the record completely or not? Record is completely coming. So this is an object of what? This is an object of which type? Which type this is? Which type this is? Hall ticket number is coming, name is coming, Telugu is coming, English is coming. It is called which type? Huh? Which type? Which type? Object type. So this is called which type? I want to print it. Print of this one. Type of I will write it. So very, very important, students. It is called which type? Series. The entire row is printing in the horizontally. So this is called what? Series. Series. Now see an earlier statement once. See the earlier statement once. Is it not looking like these are all called a series of values or not? Is it all? Is it not called indices? Names are given or not? So why are you not saying it is a series? Why you are not giving series? Why you are not giving series? Because it is there now. Series of values. These are all series of values. These are the names given to it or not? Yes. Rahman Khan, you said yes, good boy. If you say it's good boy. So not saying not good. So you need to remember. So next step. Get which record? This is fourth record. Next, one more. This is called get fourth record. So I'm going to get it. Get fourth record. So four is called what? Fourth record. Fourth record or fourth row. Fourth row. So already you know, students. Next I'm going to get it, students. One more thing. Get 10th row. Get 10th row. I'm going to write a 10th row. 10th row or 10th record. Come on, fast. df dot loc of 10. df dot loc of 10. Biswa. Biswa related marks I am getting it. Are you getting it? Yes. So now I want to get it. One more kind of thing. 10th record name I want to get it. 10th record name I want to get it. Can you get the 10th record name? 10th record name. How do you get the 10th record name? Get get 10th record row or record name. Record name. How do you get the 10th record name? Of what I will write it? Name. I will write a name like this. Is it Biswa is printed or not? Yes. Now I want to get it. Now I want to get it. Telugu marks, English marks up to social marks I want to get it. So I want to get our English marks, Hindi marks, social marks I want to get it. How do you get it? Get 10th record, 10th record, English marks 2, English marks 2. What? Last marks, last subject marks, last subject marks. How do I get it? So I'm going to write it. Come on. English, English, colon, colon, what is that? Social. English colon what? Social. Am I getting that already said or not? Where? Series slicing I said. These are all very, very important. These are all very, very important. Got it. So this is the subject of what is that? First thing. Is it clear or not clear? Very good. Students, one more syntax I want to tell you, students. What is the next one? Data frame object of LOC of data frame object of LOC. You are getting a particular record number is coming. In the particular record, I want to get it. Row number you are writing. You are writing the number as usual. You are writing row number. You are writing immediately. You are supposed to write it of column name. Also, you need to write, student. Column name or column number already written. It deals with what? Column names, but not yes. So row number of what next? Column name. I will write it column name. Not only one column name, I can write any number of column names, I can write it. So I'm writing column name. I can write multiple columns, I will write it. Column name 1. Next is called a column name 2. If you want only column name, if you want, you can write it. Okay, let me write all the column names here. So column name 2. So on, I will write a column name N. Column name N. So I'm going to write it like this. So coming to the point back, here I'm going to write it. So now I'm going to write it, the same syntax over here. So how do you get this syntax? Get into this place. Syntax number 2, I will carry as it is here. So let us get into this place and get, what is this now? Get fifth record, name, maths and science marks or social studies marks, social subject marks. Come on, students. How do you get it? DF of, come on, fifth. I need to write what there of what I can write it. Column name 1, column name 2. I need to write. What is this? Maths. Maths are maths. Next is what? Social studies. So I will write it down. Social studies, I will write it. So just close this. So I'm going to get it. So here I'm getting error. So error will come compulsory. So I'm going to write it. Fifth, I need to write 5. So I hope that it is like this. Yes. So incomplete input. So close this. So you are going to get something like no. So here I need to write 1 minute, students. It is giving an error. df dot df dot. Yes. Something is missing. So students, go to that. It is missing. Dot what? LOC. So see that you are getting it. Yes, I missed it, student. LOC, I missed it. Correct. Syntax is correct. df dot row number of this LOC I was missed, students. Is it coming 68 and 88 or not? Yes. So I want to get it. Name also I want to get it, students. Name. I want to get it name. Because name was already there. So here I want to write it what? Name I will write it. Name. So name also will be coming here. Comma. Yes. Name also. So here I'm going to get it. Name, maths, social, etc. Karthik, 68 and then 88. Is it clear? Right. Online students, is these formulas are clear? Very important. Next, data frame object dot LOC of one more kind of syntax I will write it. Sir, by learning all these things, what we can do? When you go to business analytics, these things are very super important. These are all. So now I'm going to get it. LOC of, I'm going to write it one more kind of thing. I will write only something like this. Row number, I will write it. Row number, I will write it. Here I am writing. Next, I will write it. Only one column name. If you want, you can write it. Only one column name. Of course, this will cover all of them. Just I am writing for your thing. Column name simply. Column name simply, I can write it. This is also only one column name. You can get it. So already I was used it in our example. So this syntax also I will take care. So here, syntax number 3. Syntax number 3. So there I will get it. Get 15th record or get 12th record name. So df dot loc of 12 comma what? You know what? Name. You can write like this. So you'll get the name. Kalyan is coming and the name 12th place. It is going to come like this. So I think it is more clear. Next, I will go to one more kind of syntax. Data frame object dot loc of. Data frame object of loc of. I'm going to write it of. What is this now? Start comma, stop comma, step I will write it. Start comma, step I will write it. Start comma, stop comma, step. Start comma, stop comma, step. Like yesterday also I said in previous example. Start comma, stop comma, step. You are also not coming from 15 days onwards. So you went to Ma? Tell this should. So coming to the point of it, start comma, stop comma, step. Start comma, stop comma, step. So that is also going to be something like a rules and regulations are same. Like yesterday, whatever the rules are there, whatever you learned in our normal Python class, it is going to be the same. So go to the place here also. I'll go to this syntax number 4. So I will get it from where I said already to you. It is going to give you start to stop only. It won't give you start to stop -1. No, it is start to stop. Now, get, come on, get 4th to 8th records. 4th to 8th records. Tell me, df of df dot loc of 4 colon 8. It will give you 4 to 7 or 4 to 8. Yes, 4 to 8. So, see students, 4 to 8 coming or not? Use, this is giving you, and it is going to write next. Here, LOC, LOC attribute, LOC attribute, retrieve the data, retrieve the records from where? Start index to start index to stop index. In the bracket, both are inclusive. Both are inclusive. Both of them are inclusive students. But here, when you go to ILOC, when you go to ILOC here, what is not inclusive? Stop -1 only it will come. What is excluded? Stop excluded. Stop excluded. stop, excluded. So I'm going to write excluded here. So this differences they will expect you to tell. This difference they will exclude it. This difference they will expect you to tell. First question, very regularly asking question, difference between LOC and ILOC it will be coming. So I hope that it is more clear. So I will get it one more kind of thing. 4 to 8 is coming. 4 to 8 I want in reverse. 4 to 8 I want in reverse. How do I get it in reverse? Of I will write it -1. So is it coming in reverse order or not? This is done in the last part like this. You can write the same thing in reverse like this also. Like this also I can write it. What I will write? 8 I will write, 4 I will write, and what I will write it now? And I will write 5 I will write, and 4 I will write, colon what I will do? -1. So it is also going to give you, are you following? Same, same as previous. This one is different. This one is going to be different. This is our extended slicing. This is we are using -1. Clear? Right. In this place, only I want the names. Only I want the names. How do you get the names only? How do I get the names? I will say here. What is this? Name. Name. Only name. That is the attribute is only name. So is it name is coming or not? So name and maths I want. Name and maths I want. I will go for name comma maths. I'll get name comma maths. You will get error. That time, if you are using multiple things, I will go for using another bracket. Another bracket you need to use. Then you will get the data. Name and maths is coming or not? Yes. So these formulas are super important, students. This also will be carry forwarded now. So I'm going to write it. In this case, if you go to that, I'm writing here data frame object of what I can say column name. Column name I will write it. Are you following me? Column name. And one more thing is column name 1, column name 2. This is column name 1, column name 2, column name 1. One more bracket you need to use. Column name 1, column name 2, column name 2. I need to use all column names within the double quotes. So need to use dash 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 column name n I need to use. So I think that it is more clear about the subject. Clear? Right? The same syntax. Even I covered here also. The name and etc. is coming. So last and final, if you want alternative records if you want, how do you get the alternative records? Colon 2, colon 2. Is it coming alternative records or not? Alternative records in another way. These are all odd number, even number relative records. Odd number related records numbers if you want. I can say what? 1 colon I can say. 1 colon you will get it. Those names if you want, I can say simply name, only names. If you want the names and English marks, if I write only like that, you will get error, students. You need to write what ma? Here bracket you need to write. Here you need to write another bracket. So students, you see, this we are going to get it, name and English. Are you getting it? So similarly, if you want to get it the other way around like this, and maths marks also I'm including, comma, maths I'm going to write it. So these are all including the total marks like this. Because this style of formulas you must know very well, because these formulas are super important. I think it is more clear. Next I'm going to write it one more kind of thing. Students, data frame of LOC, start, stop, etc. This is the same thing. So very, very important. First time you are seeing this now, comma, you are supposed to write it. Column name 1, column name 1, column name 1, colon, column name n, column name 1, column name n, column name n I'm going to take up. So I'm going to take it column name 2, column name 2, column name 2, I'm going to take it. Or in general, column name n, I'm going to write it. Colon, I'm going to write a step. I'm going to write step. So Students, you see start comma, stop comma, step, and a column 1, column name n, and then column name n I'm writing here. Step also I'm writing it. Are you able to follow now? So here bracket mismatching once. Start, stop, step. This is related to which one? Row related. This is called what? Column related in this slicing. Column related slicing. So I mean like this. Follow me. It is also one of the important example, students. One of the important one. So I'll take up this and don't think that after the syntax number, what is that here? I already mentioned here what syntax? 4. After 4, directly I went to 7. In middle of it, that 5, 6, 7 is covered. So go to the place. You try to be careful enough here. Go. Now I want to get it. Which one I want? Df dot, or otherwise I'll write it. Get 5 to 10. 5 to 10 records. 5 to 10 records. With what I want? Name. With a name. Just once you go through it, students. Data frame you go through. Name, English, name, English, maths, social I want. For example, name, I want the remaining things, for example, except all ticket number, remaining I want. What I will do? I will write it from name to records with a name, comma, what is that? Name from column name with column names from name to last column. Name to last column. Okay. How did it get it? Df dot loc of 5 5 colon 10. 5 colon 10. What we will do? Name according to our subject. We have to write what, students? Name I need to write according to our subject. Based on my previous explanation. Based on my previous explanation. This I need to write it. This I need to write a name according to this syntax. According to this syntax. Row number, this syntax also. According to this. I need to write this entire thing. So there I will write it. In this place. Here. Close this. Here I will write it. Name, comma. What is this? Subjects. Remember, students. Telugu, English, Hindi. So I will carry this entire thing. Name, Telugu. Next is called what? Hindi. Hindi. Next is English. Next is called what? Maths. Next is called what? Science. Science. Next is called social. Like this. I'm writing. So you are getting the complete data. So you are feeling a lot of complicated to write this entire sentence. Correct or not? So it is a time consuming process. Rather than that, there is another way is available here, students. What is another way? According to our syntax, df dot loc of 5 colon 10 comma, you are supposed to write according to my syntax, column name 1, column name n, and etc. So what is the column name in? Name colon social. Name colon social. So you are going to get it. Is it coming everything or not? So rather than writing all of them, feeling lot of difficulty, you are writing name to social. Clear? So with alternative columns, if you want, alternative columns, students. So 5 to 10 records with alternative column names, alternative column names. So name onwards I want, alternative columns I want, colon 2 I will write it, colon 2. Is it coming? Name, English, math, social is coming or not? Right? So it's not only row indices you can do, row slicing you can do what also? Column slicing also you can do. See students, you can write simply colon you say. Simply colon you say. Colon means what? All. What I want? Name, name, and what? Social and alternative things. Is it coming all of them or not? 0 to everything is coming. So you are going to get like this. Name to maths, up to name to maths only you want. Name all those things. Name to maths you want. Get with a name to maths. Name to maths. So I will write it name to maths. So I will write it maths. I am going to take it maths. So this you remove students. Am I getting everything from name to maths or not name? Telugu, English, Hindi, maths. Clear? Right, students? So I hope students you are understanding the significance. Online students, am I clear, mom? Am I clear about it? Last and final one attempt, I will do it. So please follow me. I will write it here. I'm writing. Here I will write it. Maths. Next is called what? Name. Name. I'm going to write it colon what? -1. See that. Is it coming from maths, Hindi, etc. Reverse is coming or not? Yes. So these are all very, very important things. So when you give sureties to somebody, problems will come all of a sudden. You will miss the subject. That's why when somebody is not related to our matter, when we put our nose, it will be unnecessarily problems will come. Anyhow, next 15 days you are bound to stand at the door. So next 15 days we will not come. Correct? Correct? Yes. So let us move to the further. So now I will move to the further. Go. Syntax is clear? Right. This is called what? LOC. So how can you know that next 15 days? Because I have data analysis with me. Data analysis. Series, number series concept is there. So based on my previous history, I'm saying that. Correct? Yes. So we'll see. Tomorrow, if he come, his punishment will be removed. Otherwise, he will be punished. Tomorrow is okay. Tomorrow I'll keep the class. I'll keep the class tomorrow. Huh? So tomorrow I'll keep the class. That time? Okay. Anyhow, tomorrow I won't keep the class. Tomorrow, no, leave it. Monday. Monday we will consider. Okay. So again, Rahman Khan, I'm not keeping time. Tomorrow I'm not keeping. Monday, just I'm joking with one of the girl. That's why. See how serious online students are. Sunday also they are ready to attend. But when I say Sunday, offline people kept the face like this. They kept the face in different way. Okay. Anyhow, students, just because you are seriously listening, that's why to make you to see something done. Is it clear? This is about which function, which attribute, LOC. Online students, is it clear, ma? All the people respond it. Respond. So now I'm going to enter into the ILOC also. ILOC also I'm going to introduce. ILOC will be very simple again. So students, good. Now I will go to the ILOC here. Shall I start off? Right. ILOC also I will be taking here. Tell me, first one, same to same. What will be carry forwarded? What will be carry forwarded? Same. What I'm writing? ILOC. ILOC. It is also dealing with what? Extracting the data from data frame object based on row indices. Based on row indices only. ILOC also will give you what? Row number only. So let's go to the ILOC examples. So this is examples on this one. I will go to the next one. Go to the next Jupyter notebook. New one. I will take like this. Coming to this, ILOC, I will write it. I'm giving separate examples for you people. So let's go to that ILOC here. ILOC here. Let's create data frame object. Data frame object you created. So actually I forget to post this data yesterday, students. But Excel data, I forget to post it. So next I will go to this place. So here, no. not in that place. 1 minute ma, here I will post it. 1 minute students, I will keep my charging, battery charging. Okay. So coming to this data frame now, get the first syntax. What is the first syntax? Same. Data frame of syntax number 1. Same as previous. Get this. Syntax number 1. Get which record? Get fifth record. Get fifth record. How do you get it? df dot iloc of 5. iloc of 5. 5. Which type this entire data? Come on. Right. Good. Now, can I get only the series names? This column names, can I get it? Can I get this? How do you get? By using indices. By using index. Already index is one of the attribute or not? Already I said this is an index of what? Series attribute. Already attribute I said. Second example. Second one I am going to take up. ILOC of same thing. When you take this example, I will take it same to same. Here I am writing. In this place, here I am writing ILOC of syntax number 2, data frame object of, be careful here, row number, ILOC row number. Will I write column name? No. What it is dealing with? Column number. Column number 1. Next is called column number 2. Column number 2. If at all I write column name, you will get as what? Error. So I already mentioned it. It deals with what? Column indices, but not on. LOC deals with what? Column names, but not with. So let's go to that. Another syntax also I will take it. This also I will mention it. So syntax number 2 and 3 combined together I will write it. This is called a column number simply. This is called a column number. Online students, now I will go to this place. Both these two syntaxes I will carry forward. Both the syntaxes I will carry forward. So let's get it. Now I'm going to take it. Get, get, which one? Fifth record, first column, first column. I want to get it first column. df dot iloc of which one? 5 comma. I will write it. Come on, 1. 1 I will write it. What is that 1? Madhu. This is called what? 0. What is this now? What is the 1 now? Name. I'm asking what is 1 now? You are saying column number you are saying. Name you need to tell. Name. That's why we need to say, need to come all the days to the class. So, of this one, what is the value coming? Name is called Karthik. Are you getting me? Right. Get fifth one, fifth one. I want to get it. What is this? Maths. Maths column value. Maths column value. Maths column value. What is that next maths value? Need not to work out very seriously on it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 I need to take it. So here I will write it 5. So here I will write it 5. So you are going to get 68. 68 is coming or not? Yes. Now I want to get it. Now I want to get it. Name and name. Name and name and what? Maths column values. Name and maths column values. What should I write it? 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5. I need to write 1 comma 5. Karthik maths marks is like that. Getting? What is the Karthik name? This called what type of data type it is? Series. Total series data. And in that sub-series data, you are getting it. Are you getting it? So get one more thing, last and final. Get name, English, 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 and next match column values. What is an English? Come on. So here you can see this is a 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. I can say 3. I can write here 3. This is called 3. I'm writing 1 minute. So it is somewhere else hang. So now I will go to this place. This is called what? 3. 3 I am going to write it. So this is going to be English, maths and everything is coming. Are you following? So is our syntax is clear? Ma? Row number, column number, etc. Single column number also I used it. Online students, are you following students? Are you following, ma? Please respond. Now I will take up next step. Students, go to the same thing. I will take up, instead of writing this entire thing, fourth one I am going to write it. Fourth one. So I will say here, fourth one. What this fourth one says? Here I am going to write it. Say row start. This is called what? Of course, row start, row stop, row step. Row start, row stop, row step. Comma. What I will say? Column start, column start. That is a column start value, colon, column stop value, column stop value. This is called one thing, colon. This is colon. And this is called what, you know? Column step, column step. So instead of that, this also you can mention it. Is it clear or not? So if you want, since I mentioned it, column start and all for your understanding, row stop, and next is what? Row step. Column start, column stop, and then column step. This is syntax number 4. This is syntax number 4. So got it. So I'm going to take up students. Got it. Now execute. Print of df here. Try to print it. Now tell me, I want to print alternative records, alternative things from name onwards. Like this, I want to get it. Will you able to start? So be careful. Alternative row records I want, rows I want, plus alternative column values I want. So take care and answer my question. Start. Get the syntax. Already it is there. Come on. Df of colon colon 2 colon colon 2 1 colon 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 2. So df dot, yes, iloc, df dot iloc off like that. Am I getting or not? 0, 2, 4, 6 up to 16 and name English, math, social. Are you following me? Even if you read the same thing, you can write like this. Here you can say 1 colon, you can say, here you can say like this. So you are going to get it 0 to 1 onwards. All ticket number onwards it is coming. Come on. Yes. So some people will ask you this answer. They will give the data for you and they will ask you the question like this. Colon, colon, comma, colon, colon, they will say. What is your answer? Huh? What is that? All rows. Like that. df dot iloc. First they will ask you iloc. What is that meaning? All rows and everything you will get it. So is it coming everything or not? Yes. So clear or not clear? Yes. Now complete data set will be coming. That's perfect. So Pratima, Rahman Khan, good. So this is a complete data set will be coming. Okay, students, this is perfect. Syntax number 4, perfect. Now I'm going to write it. Syntax number, next I'm going to write it. Data frame, I will write it. Row start, row stop, row step. I will write a particular column number I want to write it. Of course, particular column number. I will write it column number. Only one column number I want to take it. Same thing only. So row number and a column number. But here row start, row stop, row step, and a column number. So this syntax I want to get it. This you observe students. So now I am going to take up this syntax. Get fifth record to 10th record, 10th record, fifth record to 10th record with only names. Only names. How do you print it? df dot loc of 5 colon 11, 5 colon 11, not 10. So what should I write it? 1 I will write it. 1. So you are going to get it what? 5 to 10 is coming, 11 minus already in the description student. Start from to 1. So what is happening here? So 11 I wrote it. 11 minus 1 is called a 10. What is coming? Only what is coming? Only name. 1 is called what? Name column. So name column is called 1. Now I want to get it. Now I want to get it. Something like name I want plus maths I want. Name I want plus maths I want. That time what I will do, students? What I will do? Can anybody can say of 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5. Is it coming or not? 1 comma 5. These are very, very important, students. So I will go to this concept. Already this is a row start, row stop. This one I will write it. Syntax number this one. Row start, row stop, row step. Here I will write column number 1, column number 1, column number 2, this entire thing. Like this I will write it. Like this I will write it. With which one I am writing? With which one I am writing? Modu, row slicing. With the row slicing I am writing this. This is the only row number I am writing this column slicing. Are you following? So this is related to this concept. I hope you are following me. Next, I will go to last and final. I will go to the last and final concept here. Data frame object of like this. Data frame object of this ILOC. These are all called ILOC first of all. These are all called ILOC. ILOC of, here I will write it, this syntax. Here I am writing this data. This is called what? Row number I will say, row number. This is row number. Row number I will say. Go there. Syntax number 7. Syntax number 7. So here I am getting, come on. What is the syntax number 7? Get fifth record from name to what? Maths column values. Maths column values. Come on. df dot ILOC of 5 comma what? 1 colon 6. 1 colon 6. 1 colon 6. So here you see you are getting 1 colon 6. If you write 1 colon 5, what then 1 to 5 minus 1 it will come. So you need to write 1 to 6. So you are going to get this. Clear? Is that easy? So I will write it here. Here I will write it here. Here I am writing. Here I am writing. Nothing I am writing over there. What will come? What will come? Syntax. So I will write it simply called what like this. What is an answer? All of them will come what? Name, Telugu, English, etc. will be coming. All of them it is coming. So are you following this colon concept here? Right? Easy or difficult? So these are all comes under which concept? ILOC. ILOC. So this is done. This is done. So students, you got it completely about ILOC and LOC. So now I will go to this examples done. Students, now you got it. Clarity on this area. I'm expecting that you got a clarity, students. So I hope that you got a clarity. So still any doubt? If you practice well, the doubt will be clarified. By keeping the syntax and by taking the pen and paper, you start working, you'll get the answer. Okay? So you'll get the answer. By giving surety, no subject will come. Surety will not be given to any part of the person. It's a very danger. Because it's very danger. So, because I faced 10 years back. 10 years back, I gave surety to some friend jump. Surety I gave, bank surety. So, so where is the number is not there, a very close friend of mine. Very close friend. You can't imagine that much close friend is. From that time onwards, brother is also asking, brother in the home. Surety in somewhere. So surety means very danger. So I'll tell the proverb only to you. Only to you, come after the class. I will tell you in your ear, I will tell you what is the surety meaning. So, Raman, giving surety only exception will occur. Means abnormal termination will be done. He is explaining subject in the form of exceptions. Good boy. So now I will move to the further. Students, got it up? Clear? Good. So can anybody can tell this 14 syntaxes now? Can you tell 14 syntaxes? No. Can you tell? Can you tell? Who will tell? Huh? Who will tell? Can you tell? All 14. You will tell. You will tell. Okay. All 14. Now tell me. First syntax. By seeing, you will say, okay, like this. Syntax 1, syntax 2, like that. Okay. Very good. Can you tell by seeing? No. You cannot say. He cannot say. By seeing, he cannot say. He's a very poor guy. Correct? Yes. So seeing and telling is great. Huh? A logic is there in that. Okay. Anyhow, students, come out of that. Now I will go for one more example, one more concept I want to introduce. Okay, today a lot of fun is there. Saturday now. Generally, this much fun in my class, not nobody. Generally, very serious class because offline students almost 167 and almost 166, almost 163 plus see, uh, 210 students are there. So they are in underground. They are in underground. They are. So they want to come on Saturday. So here also some students are upset. So anyhow, students, we can't bother about it. Now I'm entering into next subject, iterating the another one I will introduce. So not an issue. We cannot stop our train. It is a continuous process. Iterating, iterating, iterating the records of iterating the records of what object? Data frame object. Iterating the records of what object? Data frame object. So all of you read once more. Iterating the records of what? Data frame. So I already said to you, how do you iterate? Iterating the records of data frame object. In NumPy, how many ways are there to iterate the records? Values 3. By using loops, by using nd iter, by using nd enumerate. Do you remember that? Yes. Syntax, remembering? Hmm? No, syntax not remember. Only words. Do you remember syntax? Yesterday somebody answered this. Who answered? You answered. So do you remember syntax? Nd enumerate syntax? Right. What is the syntax for index comma value? Index comma value in no np dot numpy dot nd enumerate of nd array object. Nd array object. That is the syntax. Because syntax is very important. Syntax is like a taking the tablet morning or afternoon or evening or before food or after food. If you take wrong time, garbage collector will collect away. So these syntaxes are very, very important. Anyhow, students, now I'm going to take up iterating the records from the data frame is also I'm going to discuss. So how many ways are there? I'm going to take to extract, the records, extract or to iterate the records from where? from data frame object, we have four approaches. We have four approaches. We have four approaches. What are those approaches I'm writing, students? Number one, approach number one, I'm writing. We can, we can iterate, we can iterate the records. We can iterate the records that is nothing but what? Rows of what? Data frame, data frame by using, you know, indices, by using indices, indices is you are only, that is nothing but index positions, index positions. This is number one. This is number one. Are you following me now? Right. Number two, I'm going to take it, students. Next, second, I'm going to iterate. Can anybody can tell? We can iterate the records of data frame by using row indices names. Row indices names. Row indices names. Row indices names is nothing but what? By using index labels. By using what? Index labels. Labels also we can give. Indices you can give. Record 1, record 2, record 3 I gave. Using that also you can get it. By using indices you can get it. By using labels also you can get it. Next I will go to the third one. What is the third one, mom? We can iterate the records. We can iterate the records. That is nothing but like this. These are related to the rows. We can iterate the records that is based on columns also. Based on columns of what? Data frame. Data frame. By using column indices. By using column indices, that is column indexes. Column indexes. See, students, these are all very solid concepts in pandas. Without telling also we can do. You take any data science student, ask these questions, they did not heard about in their lifetime. You just cross check with everybody. Cross check with everybody. So by learning all these things, when you go to the business analytics and any AI learning, this is useful like anything. Because morning, one of my student, evening morning batch also I said, one of my Java students, 16 years back, it was my student. He contacted me in the morning. It's a weekend he contacted to find out the new Python batch when it starts. 16 years back, he was my Java student. He is there in the PayPal as a architect. Architect means almost 2 lakhs 50,000 salary or almost 3 lakhs per month. Now they are in danger position because they said upgrade as early to the Python. With AI is going to come in every field. So as a fresher, when you start learning called AI and data science, job will not come. That people who are already in the architect level supposed to learn Python with AI. As a beginner, as a student, you need to learn what? Full stack Python. Be perfect in your Python and full stack Python. And slowly when you start working on it, you'll be happily migrating to the AI. With work experience only you will get it. That's what he is saying it. And a majority of the students are coming from different states who completed AI ML in BTech course. In AI ML in BTech engineering colleges, what they teach? AI will they teach? They don't know definition of AI also. Will they know definition of AI? What is AI? What is AI? Okay, no problem. Sit down. Sit down. Hmm. 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 Okay. 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 Uh, Listen. Listen. Good. Really appreciating. Now I'm asking definition of AI. My question is definition of AI. My question is definition of AI. You are saying in which areas you are using. Healthcare sector, yes, doctors are using. Robotics surgeries, they are using now. So recently, one of our relative done robotic surgery for knee pain. Previously, doctor has done for one leg. It is working fine. Robotic surgery done. He is unable to walk from 2 months onwards. Still, not that much. It is going to come. It is trending now. So technology you need to enjoy, but too much technology using it is coming to the problem. So you are saying in which areas they are coming, but I'm asking what question? Definition of AI. Who invented AI? Do you know? Don't know. But everybody will feel AI, AI, AI. But from you need to start from who developed AI onwards. You need to start. First definition you remember. So many things you will get it. Okay, anyway. So keep in mind, first improve your coding. AI, all algorithms will be there, models will be there. To train that model, you need to learn know the coding first. That coding is this only. Okay, now students. So we can iterate the records, that is the columns of data frame by using column indices. Next one is called what? Fourth one. What is the next one? We can iterate the records of that by using columns, by using what? Column names. Column names. I'm going to take it. All called column names. These are all called column names. Right. So how many approaches are there? Rows with indices, rows with label names, columns, records with column names with what? Column indexes, and next what? Column names. So I'm going to write it. So take one example. So bring your yesterday's example, last class example once. Go to the place. I said on this case, creating data frame object. Some examples I said, I hope so, students. I'll bring some data, students. Some place I was created. Some data I was created. Yes, here. This data I will carry. This is called my data frame. Today, I will go to this place. Let's go to the new one. So I'm going to take it. Create. Retrieve this data. Place it. Here I will take it. So data frame I am creating with what? Dictionary. So I'm creating dictionary here. And is it PD? Import. Import. And as what? PD. Pandas as PD. So C students got it. Is it content of data frame? These are all called what? Come on. Column names. These are all called what? Good. Suppose if I don't write this, if I don't write the indices now, yes. So I can retrieve based on what? Records with what? With what? Row indices. That is called our first one. First one I am going to take it. Can I write now? Students, online students, understand. So how do you get this data? Now I'm going to take up. Students, how many rows are there? Come on. Right. How do you know it is the 4 rows are there? Yesterday's class only I said to you. How do you find the number of rows? How do you find the number of rows? Yesterday only I said. Yesterday only I said. df dot shape. What? 0. Will give you what? Rows. Yesterday was written it. Yesterday I wrote it. But still you are not remembering. Because lazy. Not reading. Giving surety. Like that. Because of that, other navigations are more in the brain. If you do my own work, no problem will come. If I see to give surety, if you search for it, all problems will come unnecessarily. So let us start. Come on. Start. So first I need to go for how many rows are there. Come on, Ma. For I'm writing here for or row in. Come on. Range of. For range of. Or I can say range of. From where? 0, comma df dot shape of 0. shape of 0. Simple. Df dot shape 0 is called what? 0 to 3 means what? Actually, shape will give you what, ma? 4 comma 3 or not? What is this 4 called? Come on. Row. It is going to be giving 4. So 0 to 4. 0 to 4. 0 to 4 means it is to 3 only now. Just cross check. I will go for cross checking. Row. I am writing row. So here it is going to give. Yes, very good. This is called what, ma? Index. For your understanding, row index. Okay. Okay, once row index is there, next ready to give the records or not? Records, tell me. So I'm going to write it. Record. Record. I need to give record. First record, second record, like that. I want to get it. Come on. Come on, students. Index. Row index. I will print row index. What is the row index, mom? Comma, row index I am writing. Row index I am writing. Already just now I said the formulas also, my dear students. Print of what I will do, mom. What I will do? Record is equal to comma df dot what I will do? iloc of I iloc of what? Row index. iloc of what? Row index. loc can use or iloc. Just now I said the formula also. What is the formula? Go there. LOC of what? Row number. Row number is nothing but row index. Here also ILOC of row number. So anyone I can use or not? That index will give you what? Complete values. What is that complete values? Series. That values I want. What it will print? Okay, first you will print up to here. Just to see what will happen. So print that. Print of end of this 50. Only thing is your seriousness is important, mom. So here you see row index. What is coming? Name, RS, sub, etc. coming or not? Instead of that, I will say here, this is all called which type? Series type. I will write a dot what? Values. Dot values. You see what is coming? Is it coming the values or not? Yes, this is called values. Record 1 values, record 2 values, record 3 values. Very, very important example. Getting me? What is this now? Iterating the records, rows of data frame with what? Row indices. So I will go to what is this now? What is the syntax here? Come on. Syntax I will write it. For variable name in range of 0, comma data frame obj dot shape of 0. Shape of 0 will give you what? Row. Row. So I will print of I will print it. Row index. Row index colon. If you want, I can write dot format of what? Variable name. What is the variable name in my example? I used it row index. Row index I used it. Next I will print what? Record. Record is equal to what I said, mom? Dot format of, or if you get confused with that, simply df dot iloc of what? Variable name dot what? That's all. That's all. So go to the place. Here I got the subject of it. All the values I'm getting it. Now I'm going to get it. The same thing. I can write it here. What is this now? I will write like this. So you are getting the values also. LOC also I am writing. Here. Madhu. ILOC row number. LOC row number. There. There or not? There. Compulsory it is there. See, written. Next I want to get it. What is the next syntax? Online students. Come on. We can iterate. This one. Second syntax. Feeling difficult down? Difficult down. One. Say students, when I am giving injection, either you cry or you escape. Without doing crying, without escaping, if you stand there, what should I feel? If I am giving injection like a small kid, you cry. When you are in child days, when you give injection, you cry or not? You are crying, you are not escaping. Then what is the meaning? Are you understanding? Yes. Get it? Now go to records by using what? Names. Names. Go. I will go to the names. Get it? Here I will write it. In this case, I will get one example. In this case, I will get already this example was there with me. I will get the data. Get the data. This example you carry. Because if I type it, it takes a lot of time for me. No doubt in that. Because I'm covering so perfect subject for you people. So D, this is you remove it. Now you get it. Now see, REC1, REC2, REC3, etc. What these are all called? Row labels. Earlier called what? Row in what? Row indices. Row indices. These are all called what? Row labels. Now I want to get it. How do you get it? Tell me, how do you get that points? Now I'm going to write it. For, come on. For, I want to get it. For, I'm going to get it. First of all, already I said you in the last class also, there is a function name I said, and again I'm giving you index, index, index I'm giving, plus next I'm going to give you record I'm going to give you student. Now I'm going to give you record in, or otherwise if you feel difficulty like a normal I will write it. Record in I'm writing data frame object dot iterrows. Yesterday only I said to you iterrows. Did you remember iterrows? Iterrows contains what? 0th record data. First record. Second record. Like that it was there yesterday. Today record is containing what data you see. Record is I am writing like this. Record I am writing. Just follow me. What is coming, mom? Record 1 data. Record 2 data. This is coming in the form of what? Tuple. It is coming in the form of tuple. So I want to get this data. Record separate, label name separate. I want to print. How do you print it? For that, I will write two ways I can do. One is this print of record label name. Record label name. Dot format of colon, comma. Record of what? 0. 0. Next, print of record value. Record data, backslash n, comma, record of what? 1. Super this is. So this is the subject I am writing. See, what is this? Record 1, record data. What is coming? Name, etc. coming. Again, record label name, record data. Is it coming or not? Like that. I am getting all the data here. Record 4 data is here. Are you getting it? This is called which concept? This is called one thing. If you want, you can write in another way also, like this. Another way. Here I will write it REC label, comma, record data. Record data. Record label is called what? REC label. REC label. This is called what now? Record data. Record data. Record data. Record data. Also gives the same answer. Also gives the same answer. Getting? Right. So you are thinking, sir, how to do this much of subject? This much of subject, how to get it? 24 hours reading, research and development, improving. That gives you ultimate knowledge. Going on giving surety, problem will come. Next, come on, syntax, please. Syntax. What is this? For REC label, comma, record data in where data frame object, data frame obj dot iterrows. There I'm going to write a print of what is this now? Record label, write it, comma, rec label. Next I'm going to write it print of record data, record data. Now I'm going to write it record data, record data. Are you following this? That's all. This is about index labels. Next, I want to get it what? Column. This is row wise I am getting. With column wise, I want to get it. Column wise. Ready to get column wise? Class work, homework? Huh? Homework. Okay, how do you do homework? Tell me. Monday. So tell me today what? Anyhow, you will do Monday. Today, tell me. No. So tell me now. I will do this now. I need to tell. So I will tell in the class. You cannot do. Just joking. Homework class work. You cannot do homework. You will do homework, but you are not like we are reading daily, we will go through everything. You have a lot of work giving surety and all those things. Many times he will give. To the unknown people, he will give surety also. And he will show mankind also. So feeling very seeing things like this. Okay, now I will go to the syntax here. Now I'll go to the syntax. See students, for now I'm going to write it for variable name, schema. I already said you now. What is this? 0. 0 will give you what? Those shape contains row value, comma, column value. This is called what value? 0. Right or not? This is called what? 1 you will give. Right or not? Okay, mom, come on. For variable name in where? Come on. Range of, range of, range of 0, comma, data frame obj dot shape of 1. 1. Okay. That will give you what? Column number is coming. Column number. Because I'm writing what? Column indices. Tell me, how do you write it? Record, no, column number. What is that? Column number or column index. Column index. What is this now? Variable name. Variable name. Okay. Once a column number is available, I have to get what? That column data. That column data I want to get it. That particular column data like this. I'll bring it. I'll bring the data. Bring this data. Don't feel difficulty, my dear students. Without telling also I can finish my task, but I don't want. I don't want to finish this task. I want to tell at least 10 members get the job in the high ultimate job with a high-end package is more than enough. So data frame of D1, see this now, got it. These are all called what? Names, so sub, etc. is coming. So name column number is what? 0. Already you've seen a hall ticket number, name, Hindi, Telugu, etc. Name 0, 1, 2. 0, 2. Come on, tell me now. This one you get it. Third one, come on. Start here for column index in range of 0, comma, df dot shape of 1. Shape of 1. Print of what? Column index, comma, col index. You just see once, is it column indexes are coming or not? Once column indexes are there, I need to get the values or not? How do I get the values? Print of what now? Column data. That is a column content. column content is equal to, come on, mom, df dot, who can retrieve the column content? Come on, good. Huh? ఎల్లోసా ఎల్లోసా ఇక్కడ చూడు చెప్పింది కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవట్టు సో గో టు దట్ ఎల్ఓసి ఈజ్ వాట్ బట్ నాట్ ILOC, you see, ILOC, but not on where? Column index or column name? LOC or ILOC? LOC or ILOC? Huh? ILOC. So don't get frustrated. Sorry is making you to be sharp. When I'm directly focusing means I want to make it sharp. I can ignore. I know you only said, but I want to make it LOC or ILOC? ILOC deals with column indices. LOC deals with, yes. LOC deals with row indices. That you remember. Two differences. Start to stop in ILOC, to stop is LOC. Simple. So where is the difference, my dear students? Dot. Come on. ILOC. Come on. What should I mention there? ILOC. All rows. All rows. Here. This syntax. This syntax. Here. Start to row start, row stop, row step. What is this? All rows here. This is what I want, right or not? What is this column number? 0. How many rows? All rows. So what is that? df dot ILOC of colon comma I. What is that I? 0. 0, 0. So command to the point of it. Here I say comma. I will write it as what now? I will write it as what now? I. I means what? Column index. Column index. Because of that, what will contain? All the values will come. Dot values, I will write it. Do you know dot values? Yes. See, students. Column 0, all the names are coming or not? Column 1, all subjects are coming or not? Column 2, all subjects are coming. See, all the names are coming, all the columns are coming, all the ages are coming. See how I'm dividing. Rows I want, rows if you want, rows I will get it. Columns I want, columns I am getting. How beautiful it is. Easy. Right. Come to that. So don't feel, sir, whenever I speak, sir is coming to me. That is called well-wisher of it. If I ignore, it's becoming commercial. Correct? So now, you never give surety in the lifetime. Next. Last and final, I will go. Last and final. So, my dear students, come on, I will write print of, what is this now? Column data. Column data is equal to, what I'm doing? Data frame object of data frame obj dot what? ILOC of colon comma variable name. Variable name. Okay now? Clear our students? Yes, first approach, second approach, third approach. Fourth, dot values. Okay, dot values. Here I will write it. ILOC dot what? Values. Okay, dot values. Correct? Good. So next I'm going to the syntax number 4. Fourth syntax I'm going to get it. With the column names I want to get it, students. With the column names I'm going to get it. Well, listen, just 2 minutes. So, okay, almost it is 5 to. Fourth syntax I'm talking about. What is the fourth syntax? Iterate the records of data frame by using what? Come on, column names. So, column names. What happens? Some Rahman Khan, after hearing surety multiple times, the boy who gave like Raiman Khan. Do you know Hindi? Do you know Hindi? Huh? He also improved. He also improved. You only gave. I know that. See how I find that. He also improved a lot. So, so come to the point of it. Okay, come on. How do you get the data? Serious. So time is not there. Please concentrate on it. How do you get it now? Based on what column names? How do you get the column names? Tell me. First of all, how do you get the column names? For column COL name, for COL name in df dot columns. Already last class only I said the data frame attribute names. Okay. Print of what ma? Column names, column name, comma, what I'm saying, column name. So it is printing the column names or not. Under the names I want to print. Under the sub I want to print. Under the ages I want to print. Tell me, how do you print? Print of, tell me, backslash t, column data is equal to, who will print the data based on column names? Gatti cheppu. ILOC, LOC. Good. Now correct. LOC. Be happy. Right. So every successful student is once is a failure. Right or not? So including me, when I was in engineering, sir asked something, I said something. So need not to disappoint. Come on. DF dot LOC of, I need to write what? Come on. Column name. So what is the column name? COL name. COL name of what? Dot what? Yes. Values. So I will write like this. Write like this. So got it. What happens? So here, what happens? COL name, colon. So column name. So it is going to be COL name, obj of, okay, not column name. Here I will write df of column name. Yesterday's class, when you look at that, here already in the yesterday's class, I said data frame object of what? Column name. Data frame object of column name. Today, if you want to go to it, what I should write? Row number. This one is LOC is there or not? I can use that also. Sir, how to use that column name, sir? Come on. Colon. So if you want LOC, what should I do? Colon, comma what? Column name. Got it. Got it. Got it. If you want other way, if you want other way, like this. Like this. Df of, you can write like this. Like this. Df of column name. Df of column name. Of like that. Got it. Super. Are you following me now? So now I will take it. So almost 6 o'clock now. Actually, Saturday I want to leave you some 20 minutes early because of sureties and all those things. It will become delay. Class become delay. So today class is, you came today. I took more time. So Monday, coming, not coming, coming. So no problem. So if Monday not coming, problem will be coming. Okay, students, is it clear about it? Right. Huh? Shai Umesh, he'll never give surety in his entire life. Even read. Umesh is saying something. Yeah, 100% he will not give. He will not give surety to anybody. Definitely he will not give. Because surety is a very danger. Okay, students, carry on. Thank you. Right, online students. So today almost time is over, my dear students. I'll stop. So I think there is no doubts. So I will stop my class. Don't miss next class. Thank you. All the best. Sai Umesh, hmm? Even after 25 years, you will remember caviar, sir. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Chandan, I will send you now only. The CSV